What's up guys? So we're down at my mum's barn, got the Lexus over the pit. We're going to do the oil return pipe, and then we're going to also put the LSD back in the rear instead of the welded, because we've got the Japfest trip coming up. Not going to be doing any drift days at the minute. It's also got to go on the dyno, which probably be better off with the LSD as well on. So yeah, this is a video fixing that leak. We got a little kit from Black Mamba, I think it's called. Some people's used it in past in America and stuff, so I ordered that. Took a while to get here, but it wasn't too bad. And we'll fit that today. It looks like it relocates the pipe, so I haven't got a weird kink on it, as you can see here. So it's just going to be a straight pipe. We cut it down to where we need, but I think we have to do the actual oil feed as well, because it changes a little mounting on there. It could drop gaskets and everything. I think it's about 60 quid, so it's decent. And we could just use whatever pipe in the future if it does it, rather than having that kink in it. So everything's been well since the drift day. We're going to change the diff. We're going to hopefully nut and bolt check it, and then eventually we're going to put the 720 wheels on, hopefully, for Japfest rather than the rotors. So you can see here just how split it was. It's a lot worse than we actually originally thought. I just wanted to demonstrate, and you can see the weird kink there that we're trying to get out as well. As you return into your sump, and then at the bottom of your turbo, it's that pipe there, and it goes up that bolt, and that bolt. So you need a quarter drive, the 13s, the bottom ones are 12s. Good luck. So that's your new manifold, and the other one's there. I've put the studs in at the minute, but I might end up using them nuts, because you've got that little water jet that's quite close. Don't know, I'm going to turn that up. So we finally got it in. If you can see there, we used the original studs. We had to straighten where the 90 goes on there, because you couldn't get access to the bolt on the other side, the stud on the other side. So we had to straighten that, and then we've gone around like that because the lines are too long. I don't have any spare. I've got to make it work, but it's not rubbing on anything there. It's not a silly bend, so it should be all right. We've just got to put the bottom one in there to line it up with that. I'll show you again when it's done. Right, so it's actually all done, and I've tested it, and it isn't leaking as the other one. All I would say, tips would be that where that connects on, I would bend that straight like I did. I used some water pump pliers, and I wrapped it around. It's not touching out, the line's a bit long. I'll probably make another one at some point, and I'm going to get a better pipe as well, because that pipe's rubbish. But that was an ordeal, to be honest. Yeah, if you really need to do it, but straighten that thing out first and give yourself a few hours to work it out. Yeah, the flanges aren't bad once they're on, but it's just a nightmare with that, how they've done that feed line. It's not leaking now, so gaskets work well. I just put a bit of RTV on as well. I'm just basically gasket sealer. Onto the rear diff. Right, so sub removal. We've cut the boot out, got the bash bar so that we can get to them, because otherwise it's down here with tie well, and no, we don't need that. Drive shafts, get them off, and then hopefully they'll pop off enough. Unbolt them, knock it off a few taps, get exhaust off, 2 bolts, and E3 on back. So there you go. Right guys, so that's LSD back in, just factory one for now, because we've got a Japfest. I'll see you at Japfest. What year? When's that?
7th of April.
7th of April. I'm on with 1JZGTE. If you want to drop by, come say hello. Show you a bit of Miss car. But I'll be around anyway. We're going to the Motorist, hopefully next Saturday. Car's got LSD in it, so there won't be a drift day for a while, but it needs servicing. It's got dyno anyway, and I want a bit of temp boost up. Look out for that video coming up. And we got just some general maintenance. And yeah. If you're thinking about buying that Mamba kit, be prepared for a ball ache and to re-engineer it a little bit for yourself. But it's a good option if you just want to make it easy, because Toyota, them pipes you can't get. Enjoy guys, see you later, do a subscribe if you like it, and I appreciate the comments. Bye.